On my last video, I picked open an Aber 6550 with this hacksaw blade pick I made. And when I did that, I hadn't quite finished it off. And as you can see, I've shaped the handle now. It's a lot smoother to hold. And I've cleaned it up a little bit. Probably could do with some finer paper on it just to take the edges right off it, but that's almost as good as I want it. I'm not after nothing too flashy as long as it works. So we're going to have a go at picking open an ERA Euro cylinder today. This is a 6-pin lock. That's the bit on the key. We're going to have a go at opening this using that pick I made. It all works okay. So let's see if we can get into it. Right, we're going to use a tension tool in there like so. Tension it up. And let's see if this half diamond hacksaw blade pick can get into a 6-pin Euro. Into a full set then. Back into that full set. We get the open. So yeah, not too bad for an hacksaw blade pick that. I think I'll pick a few more locks down the line with that one. And that's it for now. That's an ERA 6-pin Euro cylinder picked open with an homemade hacksaw blade pick sandwiched between 2 bits of brass. That's it for now. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.